One Amtrak and CSX revenue, and we got Amtrak 48 with my friend, close to like, yeah, close to like right now, 11:57, but I'm just trying to warn us from the Cokeville area before our cameras hit. Awesome catch to catch one of our favorite heritage units again. That was one Sodi, one Sodi that my friend had just now. Wait, yep, in the lead right there. And I also caught that unit before on the Maple Leaf 2 as well. Not a lot, but not the Lakeshore Limited yet, but it's good to see it on the Limited a lot. This good to see on Limited now, and then, yeah, that was my friend who just spoke on the radio right now.